What if your Wi-Fi was secretly costing your business thousands? Money with Wings in 2025, these 5 commercial access points deliver military-grade security, blazing 10 gigabits per second speeds, and coverage that puts your old routers to shame. Stick around because number 3 can handle over 500 devices simultaneously. All purchase links below. Let's fix your network for good. Number 1. Ubiquiti UAP-NANOHD-US. If you are looking for a high-performance way to connect to the internet, then the Ubiquiti UAP-NANOHD-US is the ideal solution. This access point allows you to connect to the web via the internet anywhere you are by simply plugging your device into an Ethernet port. The Ubiquiti UAP-NANOHD-US also offers you with a high-performance device for connecting to the cloud or local area network without having to spend on additional hardware such as routers, switches, and so forth. This way you will save a lot on the expenses of adding extra equipment for your business. Number 2. Linksys LAPAC1200C. The LAPAC1200C wireless access point from Linksys is one of the best commercial wireless routers available on the market. It has all of the features you could ask for while providing the top-of-the-line performance at a price that is very affordable. This wireless AP has all the features you would expect in a wireless router and several more advanced features. It will allow you to connect to multiple computers even if they are not within range of each other. The wireless routers from Linksys have security features built into them to prevent your personal information from being stolen from the wireless network. Number 3. TPLink AC1350 EAP225. Utilizing WAN optimization, the TP-Link AC1350 EAP225 gives you the freedom to connect to several peers via WAN without having to configure WAN settings per each device. Easy access to a large number of users allows you to respond to network traffic in real time, reducing operational impact on your business. Automatically optimization transfers multiple wireless devices to a wide area network of the preferred provider, giving you a fair and competitive edge in the wireless service market. This wireless access point combines great value with outstanding performance to form the perfect wireless solution for your company. Number 4. TP-Link AC1750 EAP245. The TP-Link AC1750 EAP245 wireless access point is equipped with cutting-edge networking and advanced media solutions for corporate users. This single device is equipped with state-of-the-art technology to create a cloud, which gives a secure connection and simplified access to applications running on WAN or wireless. The system is specially designed to provide a fast and reliable connectivity with state-of-the-art technology and supports WPA/WPA2 enterprise mode. With this feature, the router is enabled with the preferred mode for enabling secure VPN connectivity. In addition, it is provided with easy accessibility for users and can be used easily as it is embedded with desktop virtualization software. Number 5. Ubiquiti Networks Enterprise AP Unifi. The Ubiquiti Networks Enterprise AP Unifi offers a lightweight device with a compact form that is designed to work effectively even in crowded areas. Ubiquiti's new mesh networking technology ensures optimal performance of the Ubiquiti face even in situations where multiple wireless routers may be deployed. This router also provides a wireless connection to all of your electronic gadgets such as printers, computers, scanners, faxes, modems, wireless phones, iPods and others. It also comes with simplified installation procedures and has been designed with advanced security features. So which of these beast access points is right for your business? Drop your pick in the comments. For everyone watching, if you want more tech that actually grows your business, smash that like button, share with your IT team, and subscribe because next week we're exposing the worst enterprise Wi-Fi mistakes. Until then, may your signal be strong and your uptime be longer.